The beauty of my country, Zambia, is that it is improving each and every day. The infrastructures, they are developing so massively such that you can love living in a place that you have seen. This is Patterson, and this is the first part of Patterson that you are going to do, and this is the richest area here in Kalulushi. Do me a favor, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and thank you to everyone who has been coming back to watch my videos. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for staying glued on this channel. And today's video, guys, we are going to look at where the rich hides here in Kalulushi. Guys, have you ever heard of the name called Patterson? Patterson is a residential area here in Kalulushi, which is one of the trending, super gorgeous, nicest place that you've never been to. It is one of the residential area you would love to stay if you were to come to Kalulushi. Guys, I admire the construction which is happening here. I admire the things that are here. You see? And it is one of the surprising thing to see how people there are coming up with some stuff, people coming up with some infrastructures. You see, you might say this is maybe the area where you are going to not to like, but you find yourself liking the area because of the way it is looking. So in today's video, guys, we are going to look at one of the beautiful residential area here in Patterson. Wow, guys, take a look at this. This is Patterson, guys. Why is it that this place is a residential area for the rich people? When you take a look at the Kalulushi housing or the Kalulushi houses in near town center, you're going to know that the houses here, they are so different. Look at the main area that we did last time, though we did a glimpse of it, but you can tell to say this area is so different. You can tell to say this area, it's one of the residential area which is super, and it is one of the engaging area. It pushes you to come to this kind of area whereby it is so quiet, so beautiful. There is no congestion, you see. Yes, quite all right, Kalulushi is one of the places which is not congested, it's not overpopulated, but the area itself will tell you everything about the people who are living there. The area itself will tell you everything about whom you can talk to or whom you're going to meet in this area. You understand? So this is an area where the rich hides here in Kalulushi. So guys, it's one of the amazing area, as you can see, one of the beautiful area, quiet place, as you can see. Take a look at this. You see, guys, you can see how different this area is. You can see how gorgeous, you can see how beautiful, you can see how the area looks like. You can just see the difference. I'm scared of a dog. Take a look at these guys. This is where the rich hides, and this is Patterson Road. It's the demarcation, I think, for the Chavuma residential area here in Kalulushi and Patterson. You see, because I've seen that there is Chavuma New Apostolic there, and there is Chavuma Primary School and Chavuma Secondary School. So I think this is the demarcation of these two areas. So you can see, this is how wonderful the place looks like here in Patterson. A long time ago, they were built for a long time ago. They are not new, they are old houses. That's what I can say, because you can tell from the roofing sheets. See, people are building now, they are changing the roofing sheets. They are having roofing sheets that are different from these. I don't know if it's silver roofing sheets, those ones. The ones that are looking brown, you can see. So, this is the area, guys, here in Patterson. No. So boarding houses for students. Okay. Oh, I can see there is. Oh, I understand now. That's why some of these houses, they are boarding houses for students. So a lot of the houses that you are seeing here, they are boarding houses for these students who are doing their school, their nursing school. You can see that beautiful house there. You can see those are the boarding house. That's a boarding house. You can even tell. So guys, that is Seventh Day Adventist Kalulushi Central here in Kalulushi Patterson area. You can see that is Seventh Day Adventist. These guys, they're blessed with some yards, very big yards. So this is the Seventh Day Adventist.